Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to turn off your auto saving of photos on WhatsApp so you can free up some space on your phone and keep your gallery organized. So let's jump to the video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Now you can see here your WhatsApp face and you can see every chats and all. Inside that you can see the top right corner three dot option, tab on that. In that you can see the settings, tab on that. Inside that you can see storage and data, tab on that. Now you can see at down media auto download. Inside that you can see when using mobile data or by Wi-Fi or when roaming. These are all the way how can you store your automatically data and all. So first tab on first option, you can see here in photos tick mark is there, disable it and tab on OK. And now you can see at the second option, tab on that, disable all option, then tab on OK. In this way you can turn off the auto saving of photos and videos on your WhatsApp. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.